The brake lights don't work on the back of the Santa Fe, so I'm going to try and find out why. I suspect that there's a problem with the link to where they connect to the high-level brake light. They all come through on one cable to under the boot floor, and then they split to each side, and the high-level one's working, the others are not, so I'm going to try and work out why not. I have a spare bulb, because I've already replaced one, but I'll try that first and go from there. First things first, let's put a prop on the brake pedal and see if we can get the light to come on. Oh, that was successful. Let's now try and get... What I'm going to do first is take out this lens. You tap the lens, the light comes on. That's very curious. No. Seriously? Come on, go out again. You can't write this stuff. Oh well, that was the easiest job in history. This lens, just for interest's sake, was the one where it was full of water. I actually drilled a little hole in the bottom, and after pouring about a pint of it on my foot, there we go. Let's just do the brake exercise with that piece of wood again. Let's see. Let's try the reversing lights while we're here. Good. And the foggies? Oh, foggies down there. Very exciting. They work too. Cool. Excellent. Oh, there we go. My lights all work. Very exciting. Okay, I think we can all agree that tapping lights is not a particularly scientific or reliable way to maintain your brake lights, and obviously I need to do better. So what I'm going to do, just open up this light fitting and clean the contacts on the lamp for the brake and tail light. On the Santa Fe there's 2 screws. The whole thing then comes out. Now it's the lower one here that I want, which is this one here. There it is. And if we look in there, we can see, really quite hard to see, but you can see, yeah, you can see in there, those are not in particularly great health. So what I'm going to do is scrape those with a screwdriver, make them shiny, and then I'll try it out with a bulb. Obviously I've not got the lights on at the moment, so I'm not putting any power through this, so I can't short anything out. If you really wanted to be certain, you could disconnect the battery as well. Right, let's pop this bulb back in. I do have a spare bulb just in case this one doesn't work. This was one out of my bulb set. It looks like it might have been taken from another car, but not sure how new it is, but let's just see if it works. Okay. Not coming on. We'll just try a different one. And there we go. So there is actually a problem with that older bulb, but there we go, that's now on. I'll just put it onto the side lights and take the brake light off to check that too. There we go. So the side light's working too. Bit tricky getting that one back in, but there we go, got there in the end. Hooks in at the front. Pushes in sideways, and then our 2 screws just to get it back on again. Nope. Good job it's not dark. Good job it landed on my foot too. And there we go. That's that. Okay, so there we go. Rear brake light, clean contacts, should be reliable. I hope that was useful. If it was, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Put some comments in the chat and I'll reply to them. And yeah, take care of yourselves. Goodbye.